Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing distractions. Unplug all external devices so drivers don't interfere. Next, force shutdown and restart twice to drop Windows into the recovery environment. This forces non-normal boot, which is what you need. Once you see Choose an option, go Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and Restart. Then press 4 or F4 to boot Safe Mode. You do this because Safe Mode loads minimal drivers and services, letting you inspect graphics and startup items without the full Windows UI interfering. Once in Safe Mode, open Device Manager and inspect display adapters for error icons or generic Microsoft Basic Display Adapter entries. That usually means a driver problem. Uninstall the GPU driver and use the vendor's latest driver installer. Do this in Safe Mode if Windows prevents changes. Then open Task Manager and msconfig to disable non-essential startup apps and suspect services. You do this to isolate software that causes the black screen. Make sure to reboot after each. To finish, run system repairs to fix corrupted files. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano. If issues persist, follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Once repairs complete, reboot to normal mode, and if you get a display, set correct resolution and refresh rate to prevent driver conflicts. If the black screen remains, use System Restore to roll back recent changes or reset PC keeping your files. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, try an external monitor to rule out a failed display before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.